Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video we show you how to replace a slat on a Tiger River spa. Before we get started, let's determine the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: scraper, miter saw, caulk gun, impact driver, rubber mallet, and black Sharpie. Parts you will need: Sherwood flat slat Tiger River item 72036, Loctite power grab heavy duty construction adhesive, and stainless steel wood screws. Step 1. Remove the damaged slat. Step 2. Remove the old adhesive by peeling it off with a scraper. Step 3. Measure the new slat and cut it to the exact length as the original with your saw. Step 4. Place the adhesive in the caulk gun. Cut off the tip and spread the glue evenly on the back side of the slat. Step 5. Place the new slat into the correct position by gently tapping it with a rubber mallet or hammer. Step 6. Pre-drill 2 small holes for the stainless steel screws. Step 7. Pre-drill the outer edge of the holes with a larger bit to countersink the screws. Step 8. Countersink the stainless steel screws. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.